This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kenneth Chiplanders. Recently updated 3/2/2 plus den in South Village. New flooring and paint, granite tops. Natural gas cooking dryer, barbecue and water heater. Very open plan with high ceilings. Pleasant community with easy walking, running, biking and heated pool in each village. Close to everything now including Publix, Outback, Starbucks. Don't miss this one, it won't last long. For more information, review the details below.